In this lecture, I am starting with angiosarcoma. Angio means blood vessels and sarcoma means malignant tumor of connective tissue or tumor which is non-epithelial in origin. Angiosarcoma is the malignant tumor arising from endothelial cells, and angiosarcoma can present with a wide variety of lesions. It can present as highly differentiated tumors resembling hemangioma, or it can present as wildly anaplastic lesion. Sites at which angiosarcoma majorly occurs in the body includes skin, soft tissue, breast and liver, but it can occur anywhere in body and it has tendency to metastasize as occurs with all other malignant tumors. Risk factors. Potential risk factor for development of angiosarcoma includes radiation. Patients undergoing radiotherapy are at greater risk for development of angiosarcoma. And long-term use of catheters. Drug abusers of any form of kind of drug requires the use of catheters, and it is another risk factor. Patients of breast cancer that undergoes radical mastectomy with upper lymph node resection are at greater risk as well. And this angiosarcoma, this lesion can arise from lymph vessels. The similar lesion as that of angiosarcoma arising from lymph vessels is known as lymphangiosarcoma. Hepatic angiosarcoma is angiosarcoma that occurs in the liver. Major risk factors or potential causing factors include arsenic, pesticides and polyvinyl chloride, and the development requires several years between exposure of these risk factors and subsequent tumor development. Grossly, this lesion is sharply demarcated asymptomatic nodules which are smaller in size, and these nodules are fleshy red to grey tan masses as shown in this picture. Microscopically, it ranges from atypical endothelial cells to undifferentiated spindle cell tumors. These undifferentiated spindle cell shows whitely anaplastic lesions. Diagnosis. For diagnosis, the staining is used, and staining for endothelial cell marker is CD31 and von Willebrand factor. With this, I conclude today's lecture. If you like this video, please share and subscribe.